welcome back to another episode of the Mukbang Eating Show. Woo! And today we got the Knott's exclusive Boysenberry Frappuccino. Now let's dig in, shall we? Mmm. Nice and sweet, not too sweet. So good. Reminds me of a strawberry ice cream, a strawberry shake. Boysenberry shake deliciousness.
Can I try? Try. 1, 2, 3.
So good.
Try the whipped cream too. Look, it's kind of good.
This drink's a lot less sweeter than if it was strawberries. That's what makes it so good. So there you have it, food freaks. Some delicious Boysenberry, exclusive Boysenberry Frappuccino from Knott's. You gotta love it. That's it for today, food freaks. Till next time we eat again. Peace.